Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another very cool version of Mr. P. This time it's the sweet potato Mr. P. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and this is a very cool looking variation of Mr. P. So to begin, we're going to draw in kind of the bottom part of the hat. So I'm just going to add one little angle like this first. It's not the full width of the hat, but this is just going to be part of it. So just draw one little angle first, and now we're going to come in and draw in the shape of the body first. So this one's going to be quite large. From this corner, just gonna bracket down, and we just stop right around there. And now I'm gonna continue with the other side, and this side is gonna be a little bit different. So we're gonna curve down like this, and then now we're gonna pinch it in, so it's going this way. And then on the bottom, we're gonna curve back this way. So it's definitely a very tricky shape to draw. Okay, and then once we get to the bottom, we'll just round this out. Just finish up the shape of the body. Alright, so from here we'll finish up the hat, and then we'll come in and draw in all the facial features in the body. So right here I'm going to continue with this. Just go out. Curve up to right around here. Now I'm just going to round this out going down. Okay, and then for the top of the hat, so we just curve in, just kind of pinch it in. And then just kind of dip it down, and that's going to be the very top of the hat. Alright, and then for the little flower, just going to add one little dot, and let's just simplify this. I'm just going to draw in a few of the petals. Alright, so let's come down and finish up the face and the body. So right here we're going to draw his eyes. Just draw two little egg shapes. I'm going to add one little circle inside. I'll shade around it. That's going to give me the highlight. Alright, and then for this side here, just going to draw one little bar right over the eye. And then on this side, it's got those spectacles. So I'm going to draw one circle. And let's add in a little rim here. So I'm just going to draw another circle. Okay, and let's see, there's some more details. Let's come down here and draw in his mustache first. So for his mustache, it's going to be right in the center of this. So come to the center. Just add one little V shape like this first. Now I'm going to curve down and out. Come to the center, make a little point. And then from this, we'll just curve. Just connect to that, nice and sharp. That's going to give us the mustache. And then let's finish up the little details right here. I'm just going to add a little bar, a little curve right underneath the glasses. Okay, so now let's come down and finish up the suit right here. So I'm going to come down right around halfway of this space. You can make a little point. Just slant out until you touch the edge. Now let's draw in a shirt. So come back up here. Just one line across. And then for the shirt collar, in the middle right here, come down and then just kind of go back up. And then for the tie, just come down, close it off, and then just slant down. Okay, and then to finish up the suit, just angle down and then curve back up. And I think he's got a little pocket right here. So this one's easy. Just one line across. Just round it out. Okay, so let's draw in his legs first, and then we'll draw his arms. So for his legs, it's actually very easy to draw. Just come down here. Just draw like a little curve first. And then from this curve, just draw a rectangle, kind of going out. Okay, and then we're going to draw in a smaller one for the lower leg. And then now for his foot, just basically a dome shape, and then just close it off. Alright, so now let's draw in the arms, and the arms are kind of the same as this. Come to the side here, just a little half circle. It's basically a curve. And then right here at the end, just another circle. Divide that in half. So same thing here. And this one's gonna have a cane, but we can draw that next. And then again, just divide it in half. All right, and then for the cane, just kind of come down, just curve to right around here. And I'm just gonna give it a little bit of a thickness here. And then this side, just add one little square. And that's it for this Mr. P. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.